In this video, you'll learn how to generate passive income using Binance, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. By following these steps, you will be able to explore various earning opportunities available on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the home page loads, you will see various sections related to trading, investing, and earning cryptocurrency. This is your starting point for making passive income. Next, locate the Earn option on the main navigation menu. This section provides you with various ways to earn passive income through different investment products. Once you click on Earn, you will be redirected to a page that outlines all available earning opportunities offered by Binance. After that, click on Overview to get a general sense of the earning products available. This page serves as a summary of your potential earnings and the various options you can choose from. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different categories listed here. Once you have reviewed the options, proceed to click on My Holdings. This section displays the assets you currently hold on Binance and provides insights into your investment performance. It is essential to check this to determine how much you can invest in. Continue by selecting Total Profit to see an overview of your earnings from various investments. This area gives you a clear picture of how much profit you have generated, allowing you to assess the effectiveness of your investment strategies. Next, click on Last Day Profit to examine your earnings from the previous day. This information can help you understand how your investments are performing on a short-term basis. If you notice fluctuations, consider adjusting your strategies accordingly. Now, navigate to popular products to explore the most sought-after earning options on Binance. This section showcases trending earning products that users are actively participating in. Analyzing these can help you make informed decisions about where to allocate your funds. Then select Simple Earn to access a straightforward way to earn passive income. This feature allows you to deposit your assets and earn interest without complex procedures. Review the terms associated with this product to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. After this, click on Simple Way to Deposit and Earn. This section will guide you through the deposit process, making it easy for you to start earning. Follow the prompts to complete your deposit securely. Next, click on Auto Subscribe to enable automatic investments in the earning products you choose. This feature simplifies the process, ensuring that your funds are consistently working for you. Make sure to review your settings to confirm everything is set up correctly. Continue by selecting Automatically Earn Up to view the potential earnings based on your investments. Understanding these limits is crucial to managing your expectations and planning your investment strategy. Next, click on Earn Rewards to see what benefits you can gain from participating in these earning programs. This section highlights the rewards associated with your investments, which can enhance your overall earning potential. Proceed to click on No Lockup Periods to learn about the flexibility of your investments. This feature allows you to withdraw your funds without waiting periods, providing you with liquidity. Then select Regular Payouts to ensure that your earnings are distributed to you at intervals that suit your financial planning. Regular payouts can help you manage your cash flow effectively. Afterward, click on Enable Flexible Earn Assets for spot trading without manual redemption. This option allows your assets to be utilized for trading while still generating passive income. It is important to understand how this affects your overall investment strategy. Next, click on Activate Now to initiate your participation in the earning program you have chosen. Confirm any prompts that appear to ensure that your settings are correctly applied. Then navigate to Advanced Earn to explore more complex earning options available on the platform. This section provides opportunities for users who are looking for higher returns through more advanced strategies. Click on Benefit from our innovative products that are designed to help navigate the various market scenarios to learn about specialized earning products that may suit your investment preferences. Next, select Dual Investment to understand how you can earn rewards through this unique investment strategy. Review the details carefully to ensure you comprehend the risks and benefits involved. Continue by selecting Discount Buy to explore options that may reduce your purchasing costs while investing. This section can provide you with advantageous opportunities for your investments. Next, click on On-Chain Yields to discover yield-generating strategies that leverage blockchain technology. This innovative approach can enhance your earning potential significantly. Finally, click on Subscribe to confirm your participation in the earning options you have selected. Ensure that you review all terms and conditions before completing your subscription. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.